Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. This is the second week of the year, and as I said on my previous video, I'm gonna be making trade recaps every week instead of every trade. I don't have the time to make a video every trade. Like at night, I just don't have the time. So I'm just gonna make like a trade recap end of the week when I do have time. Like I mean on the weekend because Sunday I'm off. I don't go to work, so that's why. But anyways, this week it was like from Monday 6th till Friday 10th of January. I took like three trades, and I'm gonna go one by one on each trade. So first, let's go to the trade I took on 6th of Monday, Euro USD, and yeah, here we have market open. I have market open mark over here, as you can see on my local 2 p.m. No, it should be over here. Yeah, over here, local 2 p.m. time. So yeah, over here market opened. There was a potential trade over here, as you can see. Not this one I guess, but I didn't took it. So yeah, I was waiting for like a good liquidity sweep. Then I marked some liquidity. I had like this as my liquidity, and also this, but then price never came back down till there. So we went to up again, and we made this liquidity over here, which I did mark out. It got swept. The sweep was actually nice on the 15 minute. So when I saw the sweep, I got a notification on my phone. I went to my 1 minute time frame, and yeah, let me relocate myself. It was over here. So I went to my 1 minute time frame, and as you can see on the 1 minute time frame, the trade wasn't that the sweep wasn't that good because 1 minute kind of consolidated above the sweep. So that's something not the best to look for. And yeah, I made like a fair value cup over here, which it did forms. We had price tap in, we saw a good reaction, but I was like working and I couldn't enter over there. I think I did actually. Yeah, I did, but we had the fill because when I take the trade on MetaTrader 5, it takes like few seconds. Like there's a delay, I think. No, I think MetaTrader 5 is like few seconds like in front of TradingView. TradingView is like few seconds behind. So I took the trade supposedly over here and I got filled over here, and I had my stops on. I mean, I could had my stops over here, but I was like actually scared because we were not that far away from it. So I played it kind of safe and put my stop over here, and take profit was, I think, on a 5 minute imbalance. It was this over here, but it was actually like this over here, but MetaTrader 5 is kind of different from TradingView, a bit slightly different. So take profit was like this over here. 1.03946. That was like a 1.66 risk reward ratio, like a really good short. I mean, not the best, could have been better, but yeah, I actually won the trade, so that's what matters. I followed to my rules. Next, I think was 2 days after. Let me go to my 15-minute time frame. Yeah, this was my next trade. We have market open. Why is everything set at like my 1 p.m. local time? So, anyways, we have market open over here. There were liquidity resting over here and over here in my eyes. So it was kind of far away, and we made a new liquidity, which was actually kind of bad, I guess. Which was this over here. I have it marked out. I mean, we had this as well, which it did go swept, and I could have taken a trade, but I was working and I missed the trade. It would have been a really good trade. Like I would probably target somewhere over here and would have hit take profit. But I missed the trade and I was like, okay, this is a good looking liquidity, which at first sight it does look good, but I guess it wasn't because the market was trying to like go up instead of continuing down. Yeah, so I had my like notification set over there. Price like crossed above it. I went to my 1 minute time frame and let me relocate it real quick. Yeah, it's over here. So I went to my 1 minute time frame. This was the liquidity marked. It got swept. There was a big consolidation, which is kind of bad again. I should try to stay away from trades like this. And I entered from this inverse fair value gap. We had price come back at it and like tap in and get a good reaction. I was like, that's gonna be a really good trade, but unfortunately, it didn't work out for me. I entered somewhere over here from what I remember, but trading views behind. Yeah, trading views behind. So I entered actually on MetaTrader 5 over here. I had my stops over here. Actually, I think that was the trade I got. No, yeah, my stops was over here. So yeah, I have my stops over there. I didn't got like stopped out or anything, but price went down, then it came back again. I got stopped out. So yeah, that was like a really choppy trade, I would say. Like I don't really know what I did wrong there. I was targeting like 1 minute low over here because I didn't saw any target on the 5 minute, neither on the 50 minute like time frame. So I was just targeting this liquidity, 1 minute liquidity over here, which yeah, it was like a 1.7 risk reward ratio, and yeah, I actually lost a trade. So I was break even for the week. I guess I was in profit because I lost like a 1 to 1 right now, but on the previous trade, I won like one one 1.666 risk reward ratio. Anyways, going to the next trade, it was on Thursday. Friday we had like wait, give me a second. Yeah, okay. So, anyways, Friday we had news, I think, so I didn't took a trade. Thursday was a really nice trade. I had this liquidity marked. Um, yeah, I had this also marked, but I saw it like get disrespected. Price just going up and not respecting the liquidity sweep. So I was like, I'm gonna mark that as well. So it got swept. I went to my 1 minute time frame. I was like on a break, so that's why I did cut it. Luckily for me. Yeah, over here as you can see, I went to my 1 minute time frame. I saw the sweep, which was actually pretty good, as you can see. It was like a really clean sweep, and I mean we did have had some consolidation over here, I guess you can say. And yeah, we saw the sweep. I think this was the day a government agent or someone died. That's why markets were actually weird. So no one was trading, but I took the trade because I found it after, but I still won. But anyways, I pulled out this inverse fair value gap because we weren't getting any like fair value gap. I think we did get like one over here, but it was like a small fair value gap. So I don't know how to feel about it. We got a tap in, but not quite enough. And after we did got a good reaction, so that can be a +1 like confluence to enter. But yeah, I had originally this inverse fair value gap mark. It got disrespected over here, so it turned into an inverse fair value gap instead of a normal bullish fair value gap. We tapped in back over here, and then we saw like a good reaction. I entered yeah over here. That was my entry. Take profit was actually this, but trading view MetaTrader 5 kind of weird, and stop loss was this supposedly, but again weird stuff. And I was targeting like I think 5 minute imbalance or 15-minute imbalance. I'm not sure. I think 15-minute imbalance. Let me make sure. What was it? Um, it was like a it was like a 15-minute imbalanced low, like the low of it, and I could have targeted this imbalance, small 15-minute imbalance as well. I was like thinking to target the top of it, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna risk much. But again, I won, and that's what matters. I stick to my rules, and that was like, I think, the best trade for the week, because yeah, we had like a clean sweep even on the 1 minute time frame. It was clean, so we ended up hitting take profit by for like 2.3 risk reward ratio. So that was like the trades I took this week. You can tell me down in the comment section which was a valid trade, which wasn't, and what I could have done better. So going to my Notion tab over here, um, yeah, I took all these trades over here this month. I resetted everything, but this week I took this over here. A setup, in my opinion, 1 minute sweep could have been better. Yeah, exactly. Um, what else? We had this trade over here that I lost, missed up a trade earlier. Yeah, I did miss a trade earlier, which was, yeah, this over here. As you can see, 1 minute got swept, and I will probably enter off. Yeah, actually, there's no setup in this now. I just realized. Never mind me. But yeah, the liquidity target was bad in my opinion. I guess that's the best thing I can think of right now. You can tell me what I did wrong. And on Thursday, I took this one, the last one, which is actually a really good setup. But again, price got kind of choppy, which was bad, as you can see over here on the inverse, like fair value gap, or it was a fair value gap before. It was like just chopping in, so that's bad. But yeah, that was like trades for this week. Again, about this, I sent the screenshot on the Discord I'm in, and some people said like I did follow my rules, but like I can't always win. Maybe that's the reason, but yeah. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you next week.